everyone. Today, I, Srishti,
And I, Anushka,
are here to present the Biodiversity Atlas of the continent, Europe.
Bio means life and diversity means variety. The term biodiversity was coined by Walter G. Pussin in 1986. Europe is a home to innumerable number of endemic species consisting of animals and birds, comprising of our amazing heritage of biodiversity.
Europe is a continent basically situated towards the west part of Eurasia.
From the peaks of the Alps to the mystical forest of the Carpathians, from the amazing river basins of the Danube to the Iberian links of Spain, biodiversity is a magic to our planet.
But my friends, this treasure is under threat.
According to the latest report on Europe's nature, nearly 60% of relevant animals and 77% of habitat is at risk. Why? The question arises why? This is because of number of human involvement activities such as pollution, unsustainable growth of agriculture, unsustainable use of natural resources, climate change, land use change, etc.
In addition to this, poor governance, political decision making, delays in them, and economic and market failures are putting unsustainable pressure on our natural resources.
Why? Why is it that nearly 14.1% of terrestrial animals are threatened? 3.4% of animals are critically endangered, 1.5% are endangered, and 9.4% are vulnerable, my friends, vulnerable.
In marine population, about 22.2%. In that 22.2%, 7.4% are critically endangered. The true proportions may be even higher.
According to the UNESCO Man and Biosphere Reserves, 243, approximately 243 biosphere reserves are recognized and are evenly distributed across the continent.
Biodiversity is not evenly distributed on Earth. It is much higher towards the tropics. Regions with a large number of endemic species are considered as biological hotspots.
In the Alps, there are most number of isolated and wilder areas in the Central America. Why? This is because of their endemic species of birds and animals which contribute them in the biodiversity areas of the world.
The Mediterranean Sea is one of the largest seas located in near 24 countries of Africa, Middle East and Europe. However, it is one of the most unprotected regions of the world. Every day we are losing habitat. We are degrading in the numbers of rivers and streams. We are exploiting marine life, polluting the seas and losing our unique species that make up the Mediterranean countries.
The Mediterranean Sea covers an approximate area of 2.5 million square kilometer. Its average depth is 1,500 meters. The deepest record point is 5,267 meters. Almost 85% of its forests are disappeared. And why is it that less than 1% of its sea is protected?
The services we get from nature are not for free. We as humans are heavily dependent on this biodiversity for our well-being as well as for our survival.
Protecting it and managing it in a more efficient way is only to us.
So my friends, it is our duty to protect our biodiversity
And our environment.
Thank you.